So guys, the iPhone 18 Pro Max versus Galaxy S26 Ultra. This could be the biggest smartphone battle of 2026. But which one actually wins? Today, we're verifying the latest leaks and official information to separate reality from hype. Let's start with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, because this device is already much closer to reality. Samsung is expected to continue its flagship dominance with a 6.9-inch AMOLED display, possibly featuring new privacy display technology that limits viewing angles for better security. On top of that, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, designed for heavy AI tasks and high performance. Now, the biggest highlight, the S26 Ultra, is expected to feature a 200MP primary sensor, combined with improved zoom and AI processing. Samsung has been leading in zoom and high-resolution photography, and this device is likely to push that even further. The battery is also expected to remain strong at around 5,000 mAh, with faster charging compared to Apple. Now, let's move to the iPhone 18 Pro Max. And this is where things get interesting, because it is still mostly based on leaks. According to reports from MacRumors and insights from Mark Gurman, Apple is planning major internal upgrades. The biggest one is the A20 Pro chip, expected to be built on a 2nm process, delivering significant performance and efficiency gains. The display upgrades are also expected. Leaks suggest a smaller dynamic island or even under-display Face ID, which could make the screen feel more immersive. However, these features are not fully confirmed yet and could change before launch. Now let's talk about cameras, because this is where Apple might shift its strategy. Reports suggest a variable aperture camera system, allowing better control over lighting and depth, similar to professional cameras. However, unlike Samsung, Apple may stick with a 48MP sensor, focusing more on image processing rather than raw megapixels, and 3 new colors design. Battery performance is another key area. While exact numbers are unknown, Apple is expected to improve battery efficiency rather than just increasing capacity, thanks to the new chip and software optimization. Charging speed, however, will likely remain slower than Samsung's. Now, here's the biggest difference: software and ecosystem. Samsung is pushing Galaxy AI features, including real-time translation, advanced photo editing, and multitasking tools. Apple, on the other hand, is focusing on Apple Intelligence, integrating AI deeply into iOS for a smoother and more private experience. Guys, subscribe the Upgrade Zone for upcoming real updates and comparison.